विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी श्री वानखेडे सर तुम्हा सर्वांचे आजच्या या सत्रामध्ये स्वागत करतो. मित्रांनो, मागील पाठापासून आपण प्रिपरेशन ऑफ NTSC एक्झाम या अंतर्गत MCQs घेत आहोत. आज आपण MCQs ऑन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन पाहणार आहोत मित्रांनो. आणि या MCQs ऑन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण स्पेसिमन क्वेश्चन्स घेऊ. त्यामध्ये आपण जवळपास नमुन्यासाठी काही प्रश्न घेऊया उत्तरासहित. तर ते तुम्ही काळजीपूर्वक बघा. चला तर मग मित्रांनो पाहूया आजच्या या सत्रामधील पहिला प्रश्न काय आहे. आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन या अंतर्गत स्पेसिमन क्वेश्चन्स घेत आहोत. त्यामध्ये पहिला प्रश्न बघा. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. इफ अल्फा अँड बीटा आर रूट्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन अँड इफ अल्फा इक्वल टू 2 minus root 5 and beta equal to 2 plus root 5, then quadratic equation will be in the dash and options आहेत. First option is x square plus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Second option is x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Third option is x square minus 2 into root 5x plus 4 equal to 0. And last option is x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Here equal to 0. Now choose the correct answer. The correct answer is second, option 2, because alpha equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta equal to 2 plus root 5. A plus B means alpha plus beta equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Therefore alpha plus beta equal to 4. Minus root 5 plus root 5 is cancelled. Alpha plus beta equal to 4. Therefore 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. Quadratic equation will be in the form. 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta in the bracket into x plus alpha plus beta equal to 0. Then x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation in the form of quadratic equation. Therefore correct answer here 2. X square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now next, in the fruit garden, trees in rows are 4 more than trees in column. If there are total 60 trees, then which of the following statements is true? Question repeat again and listen carefully, dear student. If the fruit garden, trees in rows are 4 more than the trees in column. एक मिनट, हाँ ठीक है. If the fruit gardens, trees in rows are 4 more than the trees in column. If there are total 60 trees, then which of the following statement is true? First statement is x square equal to 4x plus 60. Second, x into in the bracket x minus 4 equal to 60. Third, x square minus 4x plus 60 equal to 0. And x into in the bracket x minus 4 bracket complete equal to 60. Which statements is true in the following? Here I explain. Let trees in column be x. Therefore trees in row x plus 4, because 4 more than the trees in columns. Condition here. Therefore according to condition, x into x plus 4 in the bracket equal to 60. Therefore x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Now correct option is 2. 2 is the correct option. X in the bracket x minus 4 bracket complete equal to 60. Now next, question number 3. If A, B, C are real numbers of a quadratic equation, A, B, C are real numbers of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and if minus b upon a equal to minus 4 and c upon a equal to 10, then quadratic equation that will be form is dash dash. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये असेल हे आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे, आणि त्यासाठी आपल्याला खाली ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत मित्रांनो. जर ए बी सी हे रिअल नंबर्स असतील आणि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ए एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0, and if minus b upon a equal to minus 4 and c upon a equal to 10, then choose the correct form of quadratic equation from the below 4 options. First is x square minus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. Second is x square plus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. And third, 2x square plus 4x minus 10 equal to 0. And last option is x square minus 4x minus 10 equal to 0. Here correct option is number 2, because here alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a and alpha plus beta equal to minus 4. Alpha into beta equal to c upon a equal to 10. Quadratic equation will be in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x in the bracket plus 10 equal to 0. By solving the equation, x square plus 4x plus 10 equal to 0 is the correct answer. Therefore, option number 2 is the correct option, x square plus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. Now, next, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Options: 2 by x minus x equal to 4. Second, x square equal to 4 by x minus 5. And third is x square equal to 0. And fourth, x square minus 5x equal to 0. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? खालीपैकी कोणतं quadratic equation नाही हे आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. Here correct option is 2. Option number 2, x square equal to 4 by x minus 5 is not a quadratic equation, because x cube plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0 is its simplest form. So highest degree of variable is 3. Degree of variable is 3. Therefore, second option, x square equal to 4 by x minus 5 is not a quadratic equation. We know that when the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial, and a degree of polynomial is 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, 2 is the correct option. Now, second means last question, number 5. To write x minus 5 by x equal to 4 in standard form, which of the following will be true? स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे आपल्याला कोणतं, x minus 5 by x equal to 4. Options are: first option x minus 5 x square minus 4 equal to 4. Second, x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Third option, x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. And last option, x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Explanation here. Let's multiply each term of x minus 5 by x equal to 0 by x. x ने मल्टिप्लाइड करूया आपण समीकरणाला. समीकरण इक्वेशन कोणतं आहे, x minus 5 by x into equal to 4. x minus 5 by x equal to 4 multiplied both sides by x. Now we get x square minus 5 equal to 4x. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 is the correct answer. तर मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपण या ठिकाणी स्पेसिमन क्वेश्चन्स घेतलेले आहेत क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचे. In today's class, we studied about quadratic equation in MCQs on quadratic equation. Now, तर मित्रांनो, यानंतर आपण या पुढील चॅप्टरचे असेच स्पेसिमन क्वेश्चन्स घेऊया. तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुमचे मनापासून धन्यवाद. आणि तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा बघायला आणि सबस्क्राईब जरूर करा. भेटूया पुढच्या सत्रामध्ये. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, धन्यवाद.